Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this Pavoni espresso machine and let's see. So the customer reported that the sight glass was not working intermittently. We didn't see that issue. You can see it's full now, and we also replaced the sight glass and the sight glass gaskets because it was cloudy. And let's go ahead and pull a test shot. And you can see that even with this old two-position Pavoni, we can get really good crema. The key to really good crema is fresh coffee, preferably no later than 2 weeks old, and a nice fine grind. And if you can't get that, then if your coffee's within 2 weeks and of the roast date that's on the package, and you're still not getting good crema, probably have to put your grind finer. So thank you for pairing with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, subscribe to our channel. That's the steam test. That's steam. Alright, thank you.